everyone, and welcome back to Karina's channel. Today, we're diving into the juicy, fascinating world of tomatoes. Get ready to have your mind blown because we're uncovering some incredible facts about tomatoes that you probably didn't know. From their surprising origins to the myths that once surrounded them, we're taking a deep dive into the captivating history of this beloved fruit. Or is it a vegetable? Stick around to find out. Did you know tomatoes were once thought to be poisonous in Europe? Hard to imagine a world without pizza, pasta sauce, or ketchup. People were convinced tomatoes were deadly. They even called them poison apples. Tomatoes belong to the nightshade family with toxic cousins like belladonna. For centuries, tomatoes were just ornamental, not culinary staples. Amazing how something so common was once shrouded in mystery and fear. How did the tomato go from being public enemy #1 to the star of our salads and sauces? It's a tale of travel, perseverance, and daring. While Europeans shunned the tomato, South and Central America had been cultivating them for centuries. They knew tomatoes were delicious and versatile. Explorers brought tomatoes to Europe. People were skeptical at first, but slowly the tomato won hearts and stomachs. Let's be real. The tomato had a serious PR problem in Europe. The rumors were wild. Some folks believed that tomatoes caused madness, others claimed they were aphrodisiacs, and some even blamed them for causing the plague. Talk about a bad rap. These misconceptions were fueled by a lack of scientific understanding and a healthy dose of suspicion towards anything new or different. People just didn't know any better, and misinformation spread like wildfire back then. Can you imagine avoiding a delicious plate of pasta just because you thought the tomatoes would make you go crazy? It's a good thing we eventually learned better, right? So, we know tomatoes started their journey in South America, but how did they become a global sensation? Well, hold on to your hats because we're going on a whirlwind adventure. From the Andean highlands, tomatoes made their way to Mexico, where they were cultivated by the Aztecs. Then, Spanish conquistadors, perhaps intrigued by these vibrant fruits, brought them back to Europe in the 16th century. From there, tomatoes slowly but surely began their European conquest, spreading from Spain and Italy to France and beyond. They even traveled east, reaching Asia, and eventually becoming a staple in cuisines all around the world. Talk about a global takeover! You know how sometimes it just takes one brave soul to challenge the status quo? Well, that's exactly what happened with the tomato. While many still clung to their fears, a few adventurous eaters dared to experiment in the kitchen. And guess what? They discovered that tomatoes weren't poisonous at all. In fact, they were incredibly versatile and added a burst of flavor to any dish. Word started to spread, cookbooks began to feature tomato recipes, and slowly but surely, the tomato's reputation began to transform. It wasn't an overnight success story, but over time the tomato shed its image as a dangerous imposter and earned its rightful place as a culinary superstar. Alright, tomato enthusiasts, let's recap some amazing things about these juicy wonders. Those poison apple rumors? Totally busted. Tomatoes are packed with nutrients like vitamins C and K. They originated in South America and spread across continents to Europe, Asia, and beyond. Today they're enjoyed in countless ways, adding flavor and nutrition to dishes worldwide. Alright, my fellow tomato lovers, it's time to share the love. What are your all-time favorite tomato recipes? Do you have a secret family recipe for the best marinara sauce? Or maybe a go-to salad that always features this juicy fruit? Drop your recipes and tomato tips in the comments below. Let's get a delicious discussion going. And while you're at it, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed our tomato adventure. Subscribe to the channel for more fun and fascinating food history videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Well, there you have it, folks. The incredible journey of the tomato, from feared fruit to beloved culinary staple. It just goes to show that sometimes all it takes is a little open-mindedness and a dash of culinary curiosity to uncover the true deliciousness that's hiding in plain sight. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more captivating history lessons. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload, and let me know in the comments what food mysteries you'd like me to explore next.